Welcome to our Windows IT support course. Today, we're mastering settings, the control panel, and administrative tools. By the end of this lesson, you will be proficient in navigating the essential management consoles required for effective IT support. Let's begin with a quick countdown to get started. Entering the world of system administration. Building the foundation for your IT career. Preparing your workspace for advanced configuration. Diving deeper into Windows OS architecture. Understanding how components communicate. Analyzing system requirements for effective support. Gaining familiarity with core registry paths. Reviewing standard interface conventions. Moving through configuration modules. Streamlining administrative access points. Validating user permissions and role. Testing basic connectivity services. Troubleshooting initial system errors. Verifying device driver status. Checking background process efficiency. Confirming software update deployment. Finalizing preparations for the deep dive. We are now moving into the core modules of our administrative toolkit. Progressing through our checklist of essential support tasks. Maintaining momentum as we explore advanced system settings. Continuing our deep dive into Windows management consoles. Advancing steadily toward our next learning milestone. Focusing on refining your navigation techniques within the OS. Reviewing key protocols for system configuration. Keeping the pace high as we approach specialized tools. Staying focused on mastering the Windows environment. Working through the final stages of our introductory walkthrough. Almost there, getting ready to apply these skills. Moving faster as we consolidate our knowledge. Narrowing our focus to actionable administrative functions. We are getting closer to the core of the operating system. Staying sharp for the upcoming technical deep dive. Final step in our countdown to full system navigation. Understanding the distinction between the modern Settings app and the traditional control panel is vital for IT support. Next, we explore how to configure user profiles and ensure seamless network connectivity. The control panel remains a powerhouse for legacy configurations. Let's look at its primary components. We will learn how to manage hardware devices and calibrate sound settings for a better user experience. Managing installed software efficiently is a core task for IT support. We'll show you how to handle applications and system features. Now we transition from user-level settings to powerful administrative tools, the backbone of system management. The computer management console acts as your primary hub for local administrative tasks. Event Viewer is indispensable for diagnosing system crashes and tracking background operations. Here we manage background system services and optimize disk health for improved system performance. We demonstrate how to integrate these tools into your daily workflow to solve support tickets faster. Efficiency is key. We'll share our favorite shortcuts and best practices for navigating the Windows environment. We help you decide when to use the modern Settings UI versus when to rely on the robust legacy control panel. You've made it to the end of our overview. You now have a solid grasp of how to manage Windows systems. Remember, proactive system maintenance is the hallmark of a skilled IT support professional. Continue your journey by diving into advanced PowerShell scripts and remote administrative management in our next module.